If you've recently had knee surgery or you're dealing with pain, swelling associated with osteoarthritis in the knee, you probably already realized that fewer and fewer insurance plans are covering the cost of cold therapy recirculating machine. That's why I've been testing these different affordable, high quality options so I can feel confident when I make a recommendation for my patients. While I was researching, I found the OnlyCare cold therapy machine on Amazon. Now, this is not a sponsored video and I'm under no obligation to say anything positive or negative about the OnlyCare cold therapy machine. But right out of the box, everything feels well built, organized, easy to set up. The equipment is incredibly quiet and everything is self-contained in this ready-to-go zipper cooler. Now, if you've watched my channel for any length of time, you know that gentle movement like riding a recumbent bike is one of the best things you can do for early recovery after a total knee replacement surgery or just to reduce the pain associated with osteoarthritis. But movement can still get uncomfortable, especially when the knee is swollen. That's where this machine makes a huge difference. As I sit down here and place the cold therapy pad directly on my knee, you can see the easy to use straps that come around the thigh and the calf. These are Velcro straps with elastic and can fit most legs. The circulating cold water provides a much more consistent temperature than an ice pack, and it cools with 9 quarts of water capacity. It can run for 12 hours continuous, although generally we never recommend using it more than 20 or 30 minutes. As long as I continue to replace the frozen water bottles, the water is going to stay cold and the pain is going to stay abated. The insulated TPU and EPE design really helps maintain temperature so you don't have to constantly add more ice. Cold therapy has been an effective drug-free way to reduce pain and swelling for decades, and the fact that this unit is ultra quiet means you can use it while you're working, resting, watching TV, or even while your husband's sleeping on the couch next to you. Now I want to show you something really important that people don't realize. You don't have to just sit still while using the cold therapy device. As long as your surgeon has cleared you to ride the bike, you can use the machine while you're in motion. Right here, I'm back on the recumbent bike. I'm wearing the cold therapy on my knee. This can be incredibly helpful for patients who have stiffness or pain while cycling and they're trying to increase range of motion. After knee surgery, a huge percentage of patients actually complain more about the calf pain than they do the knee pain. That's because there's a deep aching tightness or muscle spasm in the calf muscle, and it could last several weeks. So here I'm showing you how to use the cold therapy device on the calf even though it's designed for the knee. You would just swing it around to the backside of the lower leg. That's where the calf muscle is, and you could use it while you're pedaling. Another common complaint is thigh pain after knee surgery, and often this could be associated with tourniquet use. Here I'm showing a demonstration of where I'm putting the cryotherapy up on the thigh to reduce some of that thigh pain while I'm pedaling the recumbent bike. OnlyCare has thought of everything. When I'm finished using the device, after I dump out the water and put the water bottles back in the freezer, I usually will dry out the interior of this carrying case and I stuff everything back in it so it can conveniently be stored on a shelf until I'm ready to use it for the next round of therapy.